Hi guys, I just wanted to show you real quick the haul from Tuesday morning last week. I got this couple of paper packs. This was, and it's sticky from the little stickers they put all around. I wish I got to get some Goo Gone or something. But this was $6.99. Says comparative value $19.99, but it's 48 sheets. I don't believe these are double-sided. No, they are not. I'm just going to show you one at a time here. So this is not double-sided, but some really neat patterns in here. I hope you can see these. There's two of each design. It's sideways for you. Ooh, that's pretty. And I didn't notice that this has metallics. It actually almost looks like stickles. It's glittery. So, can you see? Can you see that in there? Yeah, these are glittery. And this looks familiar. I've seen this on somebody else's channel. But I just love that. Very vintagey, grungy, nice plaid. So yeah, this one's glittery. Oh, the whole thing is glittery. All the dots are outlined, which I'm not a big fan of glitter. Nice music page. Not a big fan of the glitter, but it's not overdone, so I think it'll be okay. Those are outlined in the glitter as well. Some words. Ooh, that's pretty. Can you see that? That is really pretty. You'll probably be able to see better when I show you the smaller one. A little cowboy, some flowers. That's pretty. A little bit of glitter there. So anyway, yeah, this is a fun one. And this is called Lost and Found, Portobello Road. Now, there's a whole bunch of Lost and Found. So, I guess Portobello Road is the color. This is 2019 My Mind's Eye. Acid-free, lignin-free. Here's the 6x6. Now, the 6x6 was $2.99. It says 24 sheets. They feel quite a bit thicker. And these are double-sided. So it's the exact same papers, no glitter, just in a smaller format. Okay? So I'll show you this one here, the smaller one. This one's also double-sided, and then I'll go to the larger one. This one has Eiffel Tower. Oh, how pretty. Now that looks familiar. I think I have that in another collection. Pretty. I like these. And like I said, these are double-sided, so there's 24 of these. This was $2.99, and then here's the large. I'd zoom you out, but you're zoomed out as far as I can go. But I'm going to be using these in an upcoming project, so these are some fun papers. Oh, I love that. And it's almost like two layers of writing. It's on a very pale off-white background, and then like they've done the script in pink, and then they've done it in the dark brown. Very cool. And more Eiffel Tower. There's a little bit of glitter there. Pink glitter. Ooh, pink glitter. Be appropriate for a cover. I'm going to use these two paper packs, and I'm going to be, there's some glitter there. I don't know if you can see the birds. I'm going to be doing some traveler's notebooks. I've got to get my stash built up for my craft fair. It seems like it's going so slow. I'm not getting stocked up, and then of course I've been selling the journals as fast as I'm listing them, so gotta go faster. But I wanted to show you these Crafters Companion boxes. This is subscription. Let's see. Let's do this one first. These are the subscription boxes from Crafter's Companion. Now, I want to say when I saw these on QVC, they were like $40. I don't remember. It says comparative value 30, but we don't get the subscription boxes over here all the time, so I'm not quite sure, but for $12.99 I was willing to take a chance. This is subscription box number 6, and she does have videos about these on the Crafter's Companion YouTube page. This one's called the Aqua Marker Pen Kit, and yeah, there's a nice little card, tells you where to go watch the videos. And it did have tissue paper, but I've taken the tissue paper out. It came with this set of stamps, the butterfly and the dandelions, another butterfly. Well, I don't know if they're roses or what they are, but they're flowers, more butterflies, and I really like the solid ones. Here's some sentiments. Hope you can see that. And then some more stamps, the 2-part stamps where you can do the shadow and the outline. I really like those. So that was fun. How many was that? Four sets of stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got 3 packs of envelopes. These look like regular invitation size. There's 6 cards, 6 envelopes, cards and blanks. Then these are some square. These look like they're about 5 1/4 square. Same thing, there's 6 cards, 6 envelopes, and then the 5x7 size, 6 cards and 6 envelopes. And this card is really thick. Then I've got the 3 markers from Spectrum Noir. There's rose, kingfisher, and yellow. And basically that's every color you'll ever need if you know how to put them together. There are die cut sentiments. I don't know if you can see that in there, but it's smile, hope, hello, faith, love, and dream. And there's a stash of watercolor paper. I want to say there's like 15 sheets in here, which I believe these are 8x8. Yeah, 8x8. Nice thick watercolor paper, and then some colored cardstock. And there's like blue and let's see if I can get that one open. Yeah, so we've got the orange and green, blue, the Crafter's Companion purple, pink, and yellow. So that's quite a variety of card. So you've got that plus that. I thought this was a very good value. Even for the $30, I think I would have been happy with it. But for $12.99, oh yeah. So can't wait to put those to good use. And then this one was embossing folder kit. This is number 9. The other one was number 6. This one's number 9. And this one has, of course, the little thank you card. It has, I want to say there's 4 of these. 4 sentiments embossing folders. Happy birthday, thank you, thinking of you, and sending love. And these are 1x4. Okay, and then here's one that's, I'm going to take it out of the plastic so you can see it. I know sometimes there's a glare, and I'm a little close to the camera, so just like a border strip there. That's really cute, and that is 1.5 by 7. So you could do that on a 5x7 card easily. There is 18 pieces of ribbon in different sizes. There's a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. Well, actually, that looks like maybe 1 inch. There's a 1/2 inch, and this is 1 inch in the 3 colors, and then this is 3/4 inch. Yes, in the 3 colors. Then we have, because this is an embossing box, a bunch of embossing folders. Now I have the Gemini. It's very powerful pressure, and I have broken a couple of my Anna Griffin by not making the sandwiches correctly. So I did watch a few of her videos, and I think I can handle it now. So these are what they call the 2D folders. That's cute. And then this one is the 3D, and it is very, very thick and detailed. So, and that's so pretty. I don't know if you can see that, but it's roses and leaves and really pretty. And then I've got the same card set with the invitation size, the 5 1/4 inch square and the 5 by 7, 6 cards and envelopes in each set of those. Another set of stamps with some hearts and butterflies, and I've seen a couple videos on YouTube where people were complaining about the butterflies, but I never get tired of the butterflies, so I'm all for it. Love these stamps here on the bottom, the dandelions, and almost look like little weeds and things like those. And then this looks like die cuts. So these just punch out, and they've got happy anniversary, hello, happy birthday, you're the best, thank you, wishing you the happiest of birthdays, with sympathy. So all kinds of little things you can use for greetings. Congratulations, summer blank. Nice. So those will come in handy. Then there is the same, it looks like the same set of cards in a smaller size than the last box. These are more for laying, actually they're not the same. This is like a peach and an olive and a light blue and a gold. So they are different. Okay, and some white blank card, white and black. Nice. And then some background paper. I have not looked at any of these, so sorry if the sound is ripping up your ears. I just thought about that. Sorry, guys. But these background pages are, ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Some stripes. That's a pretty page with the butterflies. Trying to get a hold of it. Same flowers, same butterflies, different design. That's cute. And then this is the opposite of the first one that we put in there. So yeah, on this one also for $12.99, I was very pleased. More embossing folders. So never have enough embossing folders or stamps. So yeah, I was really excited to find those, and if they'd have had, oops, if they'd have had another one, I would have bought it as well. I bought both the ones that they had. So I'm going to keep an eye out for that. And again, that was at Tuesday morning. I go in there quite a bit, and I don't really find anything because my Tuesday morning doesn't have Tim Holtz. They have mostly paper, and a lot of We Are Memory Keepers tools. But this is the first time I've seen the Crafter's Companion boxes. I've seen a few of their stamp sets and embossing folders individually, but yeah, I was really excited to see that. So anyway, that's it for today, and I think I'm going to start working on some traveler's notebooks using the Lost and Found collections, the Portobello Road, and the Blush. And they did have a couple of other collections there, very similar but in different color families. So I may go back, we'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.